Many people are struggling on not knowing how to reverse their car into a driveway. So we're gonna cover this today. It's quite simple. It's a few observation that you have to do when you're reversing your car into a driveway, so it shouldn't be any issue. So we're gonna do this together today so we can help you solve that problem. All right, so how to reversing into a driveway. First, we have to make sure we drive forward past the driveway that we are reversing into, and while we're doing so, you must signal your intention on the driveway that you're going to. Many people tends to put on their four-way flasher. You cannot do that, because when you put on your four-way flasher, you let people know that you are here temporary, which is not the case, because we are driving into the driveway. All right, in this instant, we're gonna drive to the driveway here on my right. This is the driveway. Then what I'll do, I signal my intention there. I'm gonna pull up, check, do my verification, pull up next to the driveway, then signal my intention. Now I'm signaling I'm going into the driveway. So there is cars on my left. I cannot go yet until I can clear those cars, because if I'm intending now to go back in the driveway, and this car here that is on my left, you see how he's tried to cut me off to make that right turn. Since I'm near to the light, my front car gonna hit that car. I have to make sure that traffic is clear. Then I'm gonna reverse, shift to reverse. My indicator is already showing that I'm going to my right. I cannot put the four-way flasher while I'm going into the driveway, then I will be misleading the traffic behind me. Now what I do, I'm gonna do my verification, check my left mirror, check my left shoulder, there is no car coming. Then I'm gonna check my right mirror, check the shoulder. Now you're allowed to put your hands on the other seat, on the passenger seat, for comfortability. Then I'm paying attention both places, started turning as I'm going into the driveway. See, paying attention, going in, driving in right into the driveway, looking at both directions. Okay, as I'm going in, I'm looking at the rear mirror now to straight out the car and looking both sides. Make sure that everything's straight. As I'm going in, I'm adjusting. As I'm going in, I'm looking both directions. I'm adjusting, going into the driveway. Going in. Okay, here you are, folks. There you have it. Driving, reversing into a driveway. What are the steps? You make sure that you drive past the driveway that you're gonna be reversing into. Then you signal your intention on the side out of the driveway that you're going into, not four-way flasher. Because if you are signaling, putting your four-way flasher, you're indicating those cars behind you either something is wrong with your car, or you're gonna be temporarily standing on the side of the road until moving. You're supposed to let them know that you are going in on the direction that the driver is at, which in this instance was to my right. Then you do all your verification, because if you just pull into the driveway, not paying attention to the traffic on your left, it's a strong possibility that you may hit the car that coming on your left, because as you're swinging the car back, the left of your, as you're going out back, the left of your car gonna swing on the opposite direction where is the back of your car is going. All right, there you have it, folks. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button, and also hit the bell notification icon, so anytime we release a video, you will be the first one to be notified. All right,